Hi guys, Dr. Melissa here. Matagal-tagal akong nawala sa vlogging world, but I really want to share with you the importance of childhood immunization. Maraming first-time mom ang ayaw ipabaksin si baby kasi daw masakit. But the vaccine will protect your baby from severe infection. Let me tell you a story about Baby R. Baby R is a 4-month-old baby boy from Cotabato City. Dahil delayed dumating ang vaccine sa kanila, maybe due to low supply or low in budget, he only had 1 dose of PCV and 5-in-1. PCV will protect against severe infection with strep pneumoniae, while 5-in-1 will protect against diphtheria, polio, tetanus, pertussis, and Haemophilus influenzae. So back to Baby R. Baby R was a healthy baby boy. Tapos, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng high-grade fever, as high as 39.8 and irritability. Umiiyak si baby kahit kinakarga na. He was brought to the nearest hospital, pero biglang nag-seizure, kaya pinadala sa Davao for admission to pediatric ICU. After multiple tests, nakita na si Baby R ay may meningitis o infeksyon sa covering ng utak, endocarditis o infeksyon sa puso, pneumonia, yung infeksyon sa baga, at UTI. After culture and sensitivity, nalaman na lahat ng infeksyon na ito ay caused by strep pneumoniae, ang bacteria na maaari sanang nalabanan with PCV. You heard me right, PCV, yung vaccine na binibigay natin sa babies. So they started Baby R on vancomycin, a very strong antibiotics. The treatment will last for 4 to 6 weeks, depende sa response niya sa gamot. After 2 weeks in the pediatric ICU, na-transfer si baby sa room, pero biglang bumalik ang kanyang fever. CT scan was done at nakitang meron siyang subdural empyema. May nana sa utak ni baby at kailangan siyang operahan agad. According to his neurosurgeon, most subdural empyema can be caused by strep pneumoniae, na maaaring maiwasan with PCV o kaya ng Haemophilus influenzae, na maaaring maiwasan with 5-in-1 vaccine. This is why childhood vaccine is very important para maiwasan sana ang mga infeksyon na ito. Hindi naman lahat na unvaccinated ay nagkakasakit. Pero what if ang anak mo ang natamaan nito? Which can be prevented kung nabakunahan lang sana siya. So mommy, choose wisely. Ang sakit ng turok ay wala lang kumpara sa mga sakit na maaari niyang makuha kung hindi siya nabakunahan. Ang mga vaccine na ito ay makukuha sa inyong pediatricians o kaya naman sa inyong health center. To protect your child against these infections, give your child the much-needed vaccines.